I'm Marc Carter. Since 1984, I've had a variety of roles in the electronics fabrication and assembly industries, in materials, processes, environmental compliance, and supply chain management activities around the world. Many of us in this industry have recognized the effects that the graying out experience, years of under-replacement of that experience, and the downsizing and offshoring of the industry have had on the growing shortage of skilled people at all levels, and the risk imposed for sustainment of leading-edge electronics manufacturing in the United States. Adopting the mantra, think globally, act locally, we felt that it was better to do something useful that was within our grasp now, rather than continue to complain about the problem or overreach our resources trying to address all possible avenues, or spend years waiting for the ultimate comprehensive solution set. We chose to tackle a few projects across the country where the initial team had both industry and academic contacts, were aware of interest at the local level, and with some expectation that resources, both personnel and material, might be available. In our model, each node must address local electronic manufacturing near-term staffing needs and become, at least in the main, self-sustaining and self-adjusting as needs evolve. Ideally, with collaboration between an industry group and local educational organizations. Whether you choose to join our particular group, form your own group, support local STEM activities, volunteer within your organization as a mentor for new technical staff, isn't important. What is vitally important for the future of electronic manufacturing in the United States is that those of us in the shrinking experience base get involved to pass along those hard-won skills, and that the educational system provides paths for young people to succeed us.